So I was just scrolling on my phone right now or earlier this morning, and I saw an article from Petapixel about the issue with the memory cards, the SanDisks, and the R5 Mark II. I just wanted to make a quick video about it and just kind of hopefully raise awareness for anyone who hasn't seen it, and then also to ask you guys in the community what your experience with SanDisk has been lately. There've been a lot of issues in the past couple of years with SanDisk. So what's the problem? I have it right here, the Extreme Pro SD XC UHS 2 64 gig, 128 gig, and 256 gig V60 cards are apparently like no bueno for the R5 Mark II. And I heard, so I don't actually use SanDisk cards anymore or their hard drives at all. For the past couple of years, I've been using the XAscend cards, and I use the CF Express, and this isn't sponsored at all. I'm just letting you guys know what I use. But then for my R6 Mark II, I also have, and it's just a backup in general, I also have some Lexar cards. And I've also heard over the years that Lexar has had maybe like a non-zero amount of issues where they don't play well with Canon cameras in general. And I don't know if that's true. I've been using Lexar for a really long time, and obviously one data point, one anecdotal data point isn't enough for like an analytical set. But I'm curious on your thoughts on Lexar cards too. Either way, I don't use SD cards for the R5 Mark II. So what they're saying though with the SanDisk and with those cards that I mentioned is that on the R5 Mark II specifically, there's some sort of error that's just like they're not playing well together, and there's a chance for your images to get corrupted using those cards. And basically, I think Canon said there's really nothing you can do or there's nothing they can do other than they recommend not using those cards. And I guess if you do have problems with your images getting corrupted with this particular scenario, that you can contact SanDisk and maybe file a warranty claim or something. This also appears to only be relevant to stills and not video. I haven't seen any instances where anyone has said that their video files have been corrupted. Maybe some of that comes down to like a lot of people doing video, especially with the R5 Mark II, are going to be using CF Express cards to be able to do the higher end video stuff like the 4K 120 and the 8K and things like that that you can't even do with the SD anyways. I don't know. It also seems to be pretty specific to those few cards that SanDisk has mentioned. And I'll put the link to the Petapixel article that I saw in the description down below, as well as the cards that I use for all of my cameras too. But that's pretty much it. There's nothing super crazy. I just wanted to let you guys know to help spread the word. If I can help save some images, then that's cool. Also really curious on if you guys have had any issues with either the SanDisk or the Lexar with Canon specifically in the past few years. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.